Hello, in this video we will learn how we can find the day of the week on any certain date. You can see a small table on 3rd of February. Actually, it is month, day and year. 3rd of February 2022. What was the day of the week? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, like this. And I will show you how we can write the full form of day name and then the short form. So here is a small data for you. Click on the cell, press equal to text, the date, value means date, select the date, comma, the format, start the inverted commas, and we want full the name of the day, then type D 4 times, commas close, bracket close, enter. You can see it was Thursday on that day. And now we will write its short form, text, select the value means date, comma, the format we want in 3 letters, type 3 times D's, comma close, bracket close. You can see it is printed in the short form. Now we can expand to remaining cells. And this is the way you can find the day of the week for against any date.